What is up, guys? Hey, everyone out there that's watching. Yeah, I'm making another video right now. I just need to show you a really quick thing, like super quick, that my friend Lily just helped me design. Let's see. Come on. Gotta go fast. Okay. So wait, we have to start all the way down there. So, if I were you, I would close your eyes right now, because you do not want to see the greatness yet.
I told him to make this better.
Alright, she told me to make all this design and stuff. So it looks kind of boring out here, right? Just kind of like bland. So you walk in, and you see all of this stuff, alright? You see this, you see the fire, the table, and the pillows, yeah. Alright. Let's change this. And so you look in the mirror, and it's the exact same skin. And hot and cold water. We got, yeah, toilet, and yeah. Alright, here's the awesome bedroom. So we got books right here. I did this one on my own. Yeah. So yeah. We got a clock. All of this. Yeah. Nothing you see down there. Definitely not a hidden base. Computer. And you go in the pool, and down here you see this.
So I told her to make the bed.
And I said definitely not hidden base, because it wasn't. Alright, so it's like this, and yeah, nothing to add in the chest yet. Alright, we're zooming through this. So we go up here, we're not even close to finishing. So we get our computer, our huge king size bed, our light. This is on my red stuff. We got this stuff she hasn't seen. This water thing, control guy, whatever, and the shower, and yeah, this. Alright, what else should I make? Yeah, the kitchen. It's right here. What else should I make? Does it look like a TV? Oh, how did I not know? Alright, so let's add the TV, like, this took me a long time. These took me long. There we go. Perfect. We added a cool TV in the house. Just thinking what else we should add. what? That's gonna be all for today's video. Not today's video, but second of today's video. Oh wait. Hope you like and subscribe. Hit that like button like I just said. Ring the bell, and I'll see you later. And bye. Okay, just kidding, not bye. I just need to show you one more detail. Look at this floating bed. Okay, now bye. See ya.